To get started, click the link on screen or use the link in the video description down below. That link will give you the best available deal that we have with Monday.com on whichever plan that you choose. Once you click that link, you'll join me here on the sign up page. When you're ready, click Get Started. Creating an account is free, and you'll start with a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan. You won't need to enter a credit card to get started. Enter your email, and then click Continue. On the next screen, enter your details to create an account. Then click Continue. Monday.com will walk you through a few onboarding prompts, like what you would like to manage. Don't worry too much about what you answer here. Just pick whatever is most accurate. After a few screens, you'll land in your new Monday.com dashboard. And one quick note before we continue, what you see on my screen today might look a little different from what you see on yours. You don't need to necessarily change anything during your free trial, but let me quickly show you the plans so that you know where they are. When it comes time to choose a plan, click the See Plans button up in the top left corner. The AI capabilities are part of the paid plans, and paid plans start at 3 seats. Up here, you can change your seat sizing and switch between yearly and monthly pricing. And the differences between the tiers go beyond AI, because higher plans also scale up your automations, integrations, and admin controls. Our trial runs on the Pro plan, which includes the Premium AI package with 6 AI capabilities. Pro adds the AI Workflow Builder over the Standard plan. This allows for more complex, multi-step automations. For most small teams, I would recommend at least the Standard plan. Standard includes what the pricing page calls AI Essentials. That's the AI Agent Workforce, the AI Meeting Note Taker, Sidekick AI Assistant, the Vibe App Builder, and AI Columns. You'll get 2,000 AI credits a month to get started, and you can always easily top that off if your team ends up using more. If you're still not sure, there's an AI plan consultant built right into this page that can recommend a plan for your team. When you're ready to upgrade your plan, just come back to this page and click Continue on the plan that you choose. Here you can enter your payment details, and then you can complete your purchase. For now, I'll close this and we'll continue on with our Pro plan trial.